Good evening. Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Good evening, all. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Good evening, all. Good evening. Today is a good evening. And Kartikeya, good evening. Chinni Prasanna, very good evening. Ramachandran, good evening. Vanaja, good evening. Anil Jadhav, good evening. Yashwant, very good evening. I hope I am audible. So, very good evening to all. And Mastana Valli, very good evening. And yeah. So, today is the last day of this Computer Vision Masterclass. Hope you guys are enjoyed past 30 days, past 29 days session, and you will be, you have learned something, from me, I hope. Okay, so today is the last day of Computer Vision Masterclass, and I welcome you all one more time. And today is the last day for this Computer Vision Masterclass. Okay, yes, good evening. Good evening, Pavan Kumar. Good evening. Today also I am expecting more interaction because today is the last day of this particular masterclass. Okay, right. Hopefully, we'll meet you in another masterclass, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, fine. Yeah, Pavan Kumar. Good evening. And yeah, I'm expecting more from you guys. The interaction. I need more interaction from you. Yes. Okay. So without delay, I am going to enter today's topic. So, Selvi Pandey, good evening, and Anil, good evening, and Tamal, good evening. Okay, fine. So, without delay, I am going to entering the today's concepts. Okay, today we are going to discussing about one of the interesting concepts. It is like puzzle game like that. Okay, fine. Yeah, good evening, Murali Krishna, good evening, Venki Reddy, good evening. Bindu, good evening. Bindu, good evening. Yes. Okay. Right. So, good evening to all and happy evening. Yeah. Chavan, good evening. SK Nagul, good evening. Yes. Chandramukh sir, very good evening. Thank you so much. You only mentioned my name. So, most of the people, call me like sir. Actually, I didn't expect that much. So, call me Philip. So that will be more connected with me actually. So that is the reason every day I mention call me Philip like that. Okay, right. So without delay, I am going to enter into today's topic. Hello everyone, this is Philip from pantechelearning. Hello everyone, this is Philip from pantechelearning, and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with pantechelearning anytime, anywhere and any places. And always, we are always supporting to the students in a technical way. And also, what is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn technical knowledge by the easy way. And also, I welcome you all today's second day 30 of Computer Vision Masterclass. And also, I welcome you all the last day of Computer Vision Masterclass. Hopefully, you enjoyed the past day session, and also I given more knowledge about this, and also you also taken, I hope. Okay, so maybe that you learned something from this 30 days masterclass. You learned something from this, and it will be more helpful also. Okay, so try to learn yourself more and try to know about the many things related. Some technical things, because this will be in the future actually. This is the future of our society, like, and the world. So try to learn something. Try to learn something about this. And also good evening to all PTS. Good evening Teja. Good evening, and yeah, SK Nagar. Good evening. Yes, just a minute, guys. Yes, and I welcome you all today's session, day 30 of Computer Vision Masterclass. Okay, fine. So today we are going to covering the Sudoku solver by using OpenCV. Okay, Sudoku solver by using OpenCV. Maybe that everyone had an experience about this in the childhood, right? So maybe that you guys have had an experience about this puzzle game actually. So maybe that you know the concept about this because it having the 9 by 9 grid, and every columns and every rows have the number will not have to repeat like that. Only is the game, and no repeated number will be there like that. We have to fill the puzzle actually. So this puzzle actually it little bit some computation will be there, right? So we need to understand about this. After that only it can be possible to solve. So here is the trained model will be there to solve these particular things actually. So that is the reason I am saying here we are going to solve all the things first. But before to solve this particular Sudoku, we need to understand the concept and also we need to understand the chart. In the same way, the computer also have to understand that. That means what? In the sense like, first it is going to deducting the particular things like for example, what is that? That particular grid, it is going to, detect. After that it is going to extracting the text or numbers. After that it is going to finding the empty column, then it will be going to solving the the empty columns and fill the numbers whatever it is. But it is we have to confirm it. We have to confirm it. Is there any repeated numbers like that? Okay, so this will be like similarly it's like some computation will be there. We will be explained and also we will be discussing about this. Okay, we will be discussing about this. Don't worry. So today we are going to discussing about the Sudoku solver by using OpenCV. And before entering the topic, I have to ask one thing to you guys. So who all have joined the Facebook group? Who all have joined the Facebook group? If you joined means please raise your hands in comment box. If you joined already means please raise your hands in comment box, because please all the participants please do join the particular group, and if you have any queries, any suggestions, any feedbacks, any post, please share there. Okay, so then only we can communicate and we can connect in that particular platform. And also I will share my profile, a Facebook profile. You also connected with me and send a friend request, I will accept. Okay, so this is my Facebook. Yes, this is my Facebook profile. Okay, so this is my Facebook profile. You can connect with me. You can connect with me this particular platform and send a friend request. I will accept and you can connect with me in this particular social media. And also don't forget to join this particular image processing group. Don't forget to join this particular image processing group. Okay, so this is the right platform to connect with me, and also we can communicate and we can share the queries, suggestions, feedbacks, and also like post all the things we can share this particular medium. Okay, so please do join here. Please do join here. Yesterday 4 members only joined. I don't know who all are joined. So if you join means please raise your hands in comment box. If you joined already in this particular group, in the sense, please raise your hands in comment box. Yes, I will share the link, Kartikeya. I will share the link. Just a minute. Yes, yeah. Just copy and paste here. So this is the base Facebook group I shared in the comment box. That is the link. Don't forget to join this particular platform, particular group. Okay, so that is the medium too. We can connect and we can discuss there. So we can discuss by there. Don't worry. So please, join that particular group. Okay, cool. Right. So only 2 people joined, right? Sorry, 4 people only joined. So other people, what about other people? Please join there. Okay, if you are interested, please join there and discuss with there. And if you have any queries, any suggestions, any feedbacks, this and all, please share there. And that is the right platform to communicate with, right? So yes, Mohit, yes, accept. Yeah, Kartikeya, accept. and also this is my profile. You can connect with me in this particular medium. You can connect with me by Facebook. So this is official Facebook for me. Okay, so you can also send a friend request. We will connect by this particular medium. We can connect by this particular medium, and you can also ask any question at any time. So that is the reason I'm saying this is the Facebook. Just a minute, yeah. So this is the Facebook group. Okay, so this is the Facebook group. This is my personal and official account. Okay, so this is my profile name. You can send a friend request. Okay, you can send a friend request. I will accept. Chandramohan sir, I accept it. Okay, yes. So this is my profile, guys. You can connect with me in this particular medium. You can connect with me in this particular medium. Okay, try to join maximum. We can discuss more about these particular image processing related, OpenCV related concept and AI related concepts. Okay, right. As I'm expecting more friend requests, and we can connect with this particular medium. If you guys are ready to join, means please send a friend request. Okay, right. That's it. So without delay, I'm going to enter. Yes, okay. Right, guys. So keep it in your mind. Please, send a friend request to my Facebook account, and also share that particular group. We can connect with each other, and we can discuss anytime. Okay, right? So thank you, sir. Thank you, Santramohan sir. Thank you. Right. Okay. So today we are going to discussing about Sudoku solver using OpenCV. Right. So without delay, I'm going to explain fastly. Right. So the basic introduction about these particular today's classes, in the sense, maximum we all are played the Sudoku solver at least once in our childhood, right? So it is very interesting puzzle game, and also sometimes we can't solve the problems, we can't solve the numbers. So if you guys have had an experience about this, in the sense, please raise your hands in comment box. So most of the people had an experience about this, I hope. Okay. So if you guys are excited, if you guys are had an experience about to solve the Sudoku, in the sense, please raise your hands in comment box. I need more interaction, guys. This is not usual regular classes. I'm not your teacher actually, so that is why I'm saying call me Philip, like that. So I need more interaction from you. That is the reason I'm always interact with you. Okay, right. So most of the people had an experience like solving this Sudoku by the newspaper. Maybe that in my childhood time, when I was studying the school time, so that will come in one particular newspaper. Like maybe that normally it is come from the English newspaper. I tried many times. Sometimes only one time I solved this kind of puzzle. But I tried many times. Sometimes I can't solve the problem actually. I can't solve that particular empty columns like that. But it took many time for me. What about you? I don't know exactly. Maybe that you guys are very intelligent to solve this exactly. Okay, fine. So I had an experience about this. If you guys had an experience about this, in the sense, please raise your hands in comment box. I need more interaction. So please, comment me in comment box. Okay, fine. So that having the similar problems like computation like that, because the number will not repeat, and we have to fill all the columns and all the boxes. So this kind of the problem will be there. Okay, right. Yes. Yes, of course, it is in Hindu newspaper. Yeah, it is in Hindu newspaper. It usually come every Saturday, I think. I don't know exactly. I forgot it. So every Saturday it will come, and I tried many times, but it like sometimes it is fake, sometimes it is giving the results like that. Yeah. Normally that particular I will show that puzzle actually. I will show that particular puzzle. Then only I will explain easily actually. So yeah, here, and this is that, and Sudoku solver. Yes. See here, like this only it is coming actually. like this only it is coming. Okay, so these, this is the rows and this is the columns. It is like 9 by 9, totally 81 boxes will be there. Totally 81 boxes will be there. Okay, we have to fill the numbers, the series of 1 to 9. Okay, 1 to 9. That means what, in the sense actually we needed to fill this, not repeated numbers here and here, here and here and here, like that. So we have to solve, but not the repeated numbers will be there. Like for example, if I fill here 2, in the sense here is the repeated numbers, right? So if I fill here 1, in the sense here is the repeated number. If I fill here 4, in the sense here is the repeated number. It won't come. We have to check here and check here also. Okay, right. Yeah. So this is the way it will be solved. Most of the people don't know about this. Okay, fine. Okay, right. So I'm going to take the classes right now. So this is the last day, right? So that is the reason I'm going to take the classes like the easiest way. Okay. Yeah. Right. So in this project we are going to build a Sudoku solver program using the OpenCV. Okay, and finally, firstly, it will be going to detect the boxes. Okay, that particular boxes, and it will be next. It will be going to recognizing the text or numbers. After that, we are going to solve the empty columns we have to fill with the different numbers, but it is not repeated. This kind of things we are going to solve. Okay, right. So it detect a Sudoku board from an image. Then it will be solved. So this is the procedure we have to follow, right? So what are the procedures we have to follow here? In the sense, the program will be detect the Sudoku board first in the image. Then firstly it extract only the board. Okay, only the board. After that, then it will be detecting the given numbers on the board. Okay, so maybe that will there is no numbers. That will be empty boxes, like that. After solving this board. And for example, initially it is going to detecting that particular boxes. After that, it will be going to detecting the recognizing the numbers. After that, once it is recognized, means we have to fill the numbers like that. Then it is going to solve, means it is put on that particular solved numbers put on the same empty places in the original image. So that is the process we are going to discuss, so that's why I mentioned here the program will be detect Sudoku board in an image to extract only the board first, then it detecting the given numbers from the board, and then it will be solved. Okay, then after solving the board, it put the solved number in that original image at the same position where the board was empty. Okay, right. Next, what are the objective of this particular topic today? In the sense, we are going to create the program for Sudoku solver by using the OpenCV and also deep learning OCR detection. So normally OCR, in the sense optical character recognition, that will be help to detecting the characters, and also the first thing we have to detecting the boxes, like that. Okay, right. So that is the main objective of this. Then what is Sudoku exactly? I already explained, but I will repeat one more time. So Sudoku is the combinational number placement puzzle. Okay, the objective of the Sudoku is to fill 9 by 9 grid with some digits. Okay, the number will not repeat the rows and columns. So we will use the algorithm is called backtracking for finding the solution, for finding some solution to fill the empty boxes. So what is our main aim? So with the help of some computation, with the help of some deduction, we are going to fill the numbers in the empty boxes. That is the reason. But the number will not repeat. So that is main thing for the rows and columns. Okay, so we will using the backtracking algorithm here. Okay, that will be help to finding the solution for some computational problems here. Okay, right. Yes. So what are the prerequisites we need? Actually, in the sense, Python software, OpenCV package, NumPy, TensorFlow IMUtil. Okay, IMUtil means already we knew all about this. Okay, so I don't want to explain one more time. Okay, so this is the last day class, already you knew this about. Okay, right. So what are the steps? In the sense, import the necessary libraries, then find the Sudoku board in the image. That is, like that square box, and split the board. Why? Because the horizontal and vertical we have to split the board, like we need to extracting the empty boxes like that. Then predicting the digits in the each, boxes. Is there any empty columns? That will not, predict. After that, we need to solve the board by using the similar functions. Okay, one more time I will repeat. Import the necessary libraries and find Sudoku board. Okay, find Sudoku board in the image. After that, we are going to split the board for detection and splitting the empty columns, and we have to fill it on that. Then predict the digits of the each boxes. Then solve the board. That's it. So this all is the procedure we have to follow. Okay, right. Kalakal. Yeah, actually, of course I'm taking the AA class. The next master class will be the AA class. Okay, right. I will share to you. Yes, Kartikeya. Yes, please do course on DSA. Okay, and web development. If possible, I will take Janaki and also Kartikeya. If possible, I will take and Venkatraman. Hi. Don't call me sir. Call me Philip. So it is my humble request. Don't call me sir, call me Philip. Okay, right. So our next masterclass, 30 days free artificial intelligence masterclass. So this is our next masterclass. I am going to take the classes. I am going to conducting the, I'm going to handling 30 days classes for artificial intelligence. In this particular classes, what we are going to cover in this is the basic Python, machine learning projects, deep learning concepts, neural network concepts, and also natural language process and computer vision projects, and finally all about the projects like that. Okay, so what we are going to cover in this 30 days masterclass in this is we will be cover basic Python, machine learning concepts, deep learning concepts, computer vision concepts, and also NLP concepts. Okay, finally we are going to discussing about the project. Okay. So this is our next day, next masterclass. Don't forget to join this. So this is also more useful because we already learned OpenCV, right? So this will be also, in artificial intelligence, we are going to cover the 4 technologies. Okay, we are going to cover the 4 technologies. Already we learned the OpenCV. So there's, some differentiation between these and there. You will be also learn something about this artificial intelligence, of course. I will give my best. You can join this. Okay, right? So I will share the link of the, this particular masterclass. Okay, just a minute, guys. So this is the registration link. Don't hesitate to join the, so the registration is free. Okay. Yes, I will. Just a minute, guys. I shared the registration link here and I pinned also. Okay, right. Sorry, I can't pin. Okay. So share to your friends also. Share to your friends. Okay, right. So this registration link for artificial intelligence masterclass. Our next masterclass is related to the artificial intelligence. The timing will be 8 to 8:45. The same time. It will be start on the November 21st. It will be start on the November 21st. Okay, it will be more useful for you. Don't worry. It will be more useful for you and also it will be more helpful for you. Okay, so I am going to handle this, but 30 days masterclass. Okay, right. Yeah, normally we charged the certificate will be 100 rupees. Okay, yes, okay. The 30 days classes will be free. So if you are interested, you can join the internship also. Okay, right. So this is our next masterclass of artificial intelligence. Okay, who all are willing, who all are interested, please don't forget to register for the event. Okay, the link will be there. The link mentioned in the command box. Okay, right. Yeah. So now I am going to enter the coding. First of all, we need to understand the solver first. Okay, so it having the different functions like find, empty, and valid, and also solve, then get board. Okay, so this particular solver will help to solving the filling the empty boxes. First, we have to find the empty boxes, like creating the one particular function. So that means find empty here. That means find empty here. So this is for the board. Okay, this will be we are created. Okay, this will be we are created already in a board. I will be explain the main code. This is not a main code. This is not a main code. I will be explain the next code for the main code. See, this is the function to find the empty. Okay, find the empty. That means what in the sense checks where is the empty is unsolved block. Okay, right. So we are going to iterating over that particular sequence. After that only it can be possible to find that particular empty boxes. Okay, right. So before we having, we have to do something to detecting the boxes and detecting the, boxes and splitting the boxes and splitting the empty boxes like that will be there. But that is in main code. Okay, so it will be some calculation to solve that. It will be some computation to solve that. So I will be explain one by one. For I, it is related to the rows. For j, it is related to the columns. So that is the reason I mentioned here. This is rows and this is columns. We have to iterating over the particular sequence, like that particular image. Once it is iterating over the sequence means we can find easily for the empty box. That box actually. So here this is the board. The board means the detective board. Okay, for I this is the iterating variable. We are going to iterating over that particular sequence and iterating over that particular sequence, rows and columns. Once the value will be 0, in the sense it is nothing but the empty columns. It is nothing but the empty columns. We have to return that. So we can split easily, right? So then valid. This will be like board and number and position. It will be going to help to extracting the numbers boxes and the positions. See here the same thing we have to follow like this. It will be like for rows and columns it will be returning like if it is the will not finding the any empty columns in the sense it will be like true. If it is finding the empty columns in this it will be a false. That means we are going to returning the numbers here. Okay, the same iteration process will be there. The same thing for rows and columns and also checkbox. So we are going to normalize the box. That means we have to validate that. Why? Because we are going to finding the number. We need to recognize the characters after that finding the boxes, and we have to splitting the empty boxes and also like the number boxes. So that is the reason we are going to fix like that. The fox x and fox y we are going to normalize divided by 3y because the particular Sudoku solver grid is 9 by 9. That means totally it will be having the 81 boxes actually. Okay, 81 boxes. So that is the reason this is some of the calculation will be there to iterating over that. Okay, for rows and columns. Okay, then it is going to solve. Once it is find empty in the sense that is in the board, it will be returning true because it is not finding the any numbers. Once it is find means that will be returning the numbers. So for this particular range, the valid will be this particular function will be giving the board numbers and I, and this is the rows and columns. Okay, right? So it will be returning that particular things. Once you are going to entering the get in board means it will be takes 9 by 9 matrix unsolved Sudoku board and it will be returning the fully solved board because it will be going to accessing this particular function. This particular function will have to solving the problems like it will be going to filling the empty columns with the different numbers. For example, it is iterating over that in the sense once you are going to fill the one particular number, it is 1 in the sense it is going to search and find that particular columns and rows having the one number. So it is similar in the sense the machine will be failed. If it is not the particular number in the sense it is going to solve. So it is going to solve like each and every rows and every columns. So once the column is solved in the sense next it will be moved to the rows and columns like that. That 3 by 3 and 9 columns and 9 rows like that. Okay, right. So this is the function to solve that particular empty columns. We have to fill that different numbers. After that I am going to explaining the main code here. Okay, main code. See here, we need to import the necessary libraries. We are going to follow the procedure right now. Okay, we are going to follow the procedure right now. So we need to import the necessary libraries here, that is CV2, NumPy, TensorFlow and IMUTL and Solver. Already we had seen. This is already written by ourselves. So here this will be help to loading the model, train the model, and this will be the NumPy. This will be the image processing, and this will be help to processing the image like resizing, rotation, resolution like that. And converting the binary image, this kind of things. So here we are going to create the classes that range is 0 to 10. That means like the value will be the classes will be like 1 to 9 like that. Okay, right. So initially we have to load the model with the help of these particular module or functions. So this is the module already we have in the particular folder in the same current working directory. Okay, right. So now we are going to creating the get perspective, like image, location, height and width depending on that. What is the meaning of the perspective in the sense we are going to image into this exact grid because maybe that it will be like perspective, right? So we need to the same square like that, not like this one. Just a minute. It is actually like this. So we have to make the shape like perspective. Okay, perspective view. So that is the reason we are going to create the functions. So take the image and location OS interested region. Because we need some interested region. Where is the interested region here? Where is the interested region? Just a minute. So this is our interested region. So this is our interested region, right? Not need others. So this is our interested region. So we have to extract and making the perspective view of that. Okay, perspective means what? It will be completely one particular box. So other than it will be leave. So yeah. Yes. So and returning only the selected region because that only we need because once you selected that one in the sense. Okay. So Prakash Kunturu, ma'am. I'm not a ma'am. Actually, my name is Philip. Okay, right. Thank you. I can't pronounce your name, Mr. Mokaisinul. Okay, fine. MD Mokaisinul. I called MD. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Actually, right. So without delay, I'm going to explain to complete because need to share many things today. Right, fine. So once we are going to selecting the interested region, it is going to returning only selected interested region with the help of the perspective transformation. Other than it is going to leave. Okay, so that is the reason the PTS1 and PTS2. So this will be helpful for returning, like, for example, it is getting from the original image. We are going to, and interested to extracting from the original image. This particular point, it is going to extracting from the different, region. So this will be help to, for example, this will be returning this get perspective transform depending on this PTS1 and PTS2. So this will be help to returning the matrix, and this will be, that means raw perspective will help to returning the exact region, interested region. Okay, that is why we mentioned here, like, result. Okay, so once you are going to making the perspective view, means it can be helpful to detecting the empty columns and empty boxes and recognizing the characters. That will be very easy. Okay, the same way the inverse perspective also, this is for the final output. This is for the final output. We have to returning the same image again, the same size again. So that is the reason we created the same thing. So takes the original image as an input, like that. Okay, right. So next we are going to find the board. How to find the board? In the sense, with the help of creating this particular function for this image, we need to convert the, initially we need to convert the grayscale. We need to convert the grayscale. After that, we need to converting the bilateral filter. That means going to smoothening the image with the help of the grayscale. That will be help to removing the noises in the image. What about the next thing? The edges is expecting the smoothening image. So that is the reason we converted by using the bilateral filter. Then once you are going to, using the canny, in the sense it will be returning the edges of the image. Edges in the sense what? The outline of the box and the inside between of the box and the character outline boundaries. All this, it will be written. Then we need to finding the key points of that. Key points of that, in the sense we need to recognizing the character. So that is the reason we are going to finding the contours. Once you need the contours, in the sense the edges images is expecting the find contours function, right? No, guys, you are listening, I hope. Guys, you are listening, I hope. So if you guys are listening the classes, means please raise your hands in comment box. Then only it will be more interactive. It will not boring actually. Okay, I don't want to making you boring actually. I don't want to making you boring, and also I don't want to get boring myself. Okay, right. Yeah. If you guys are listening the classes, means please raise your hands in comment box. I'm expecting more interaction from you guys. Okay, fine. Yeah. So now we are going to find the contours. Now we are going to find the contours. How does? In the sense with the help of the edges images, because that particular contour is expecting the outline of the object or boundaries of the object. Then only it can be possible to detecting the contours, right? So already we have discussed many times about this. Okay, leave. So this will be helpful for finding the key points. That means depending on the find contours. So this will be like, retrieving the possible contours, and this is the algorithm to detecting the contours, like that. Fine, no? After that, the contours, we have to grab the contours, all the key points of this. Okay, right. After that, we need to draw the, outline of the contours, right? So once the contour is found, in the sense we need to draw the, yes, most of the people answered. Thank you so much for your good interaction, guys. Thank you for your good interaction. Thank you so much, right? So now the new images will be like, CV2 dot draw contours. It will be help to draw the possible contours. Outline of that, it will becomes like, green image. So PGR, that is the reason the color is mentioned, and this will be like, the size, this will be like, contour index, and this will be like the size, thickness of that. Okay, so this kind of the question related internship I will answer after completing the session. Okay, right. So now the new images is created. Then we are going to store the contours. So it will be help to store the possible contours here. Okay, once the contour is detected with the help of the find contours. Okay, what is the meaning of contour? In the sense, it is going to finding the outline of the contours, and it will be help to finding the empty boxes also, and also number boxes also, and also finding the character also here. After that, the finding contours is completed, we need to sort out all the contours. Okay, so sort out all the contours, then we need to iterating over that. Okay, we need to iterating over that. Why? Because of find the rectangle contours. Okay, find the rectangle contours, that means what? In the sense, the empty contours. So for we are going to over the looping. So here we are using the for loop for contour and these particular contours, because of we shorted already for detected contours. Now we are going to calculate the approx. So what is the purpose of this approx? Already we learned about this, right? So like, you know, we are going to draw the shape and find the shape like that, we already discussed, right? So the approx poly-DP will help to finding the shape of that particular contours. It will be help to finding the shape of that particular contours. So that is the reason the approx is equal to CV2 dot approx poly PD. So this will be help to for like, you know, polygon angle of that polygon curves of the shape. It will be helpful for finding the polygon shape and polygon curves of that particular shape. So that means what in this, for example, a rectangle is having the 4 length, polygon curves it is having the 4 length. What about the pentagon? It having 5. What about the hexagon? It having 6. And what about the triangle? It having 3. Right? So that is the reason, if the length of the approx it is related to the 5, in the sense we can find the location of that particular rectangle. Initially it is none. Initially it is none. Hope you guys are understood. Hope you guys are understood. Yes, Mohammed. Yeah, of course I will take. Okay. Today we don't have a time. I want to discuss more to you. So that is the reason I'm explaining like this. Sorry for speed and fast. Okay, fine. So after that, so once this location is found with the help of these particular things, in the sense the rectangle is found. Okay, so all the location find means it is going to break. Now we are going to, the result is like, you know, get perspective of image depending on the location. So once you are going to applying the get perspective, that will be help to finding the location of that particular rectangle. This will be the result. Then we are going to split. Okay, it having the 81 individual images. So that is the reason we are going to split. So that takes a Sudoku board to split the 81 cells. Each and individual cells we need to contain the different elements, and also we can finding the empty elements, empty cells, and also contains the character elements also. So we need to split that. The rows we split in the sense vertical split. Okay, the vertical split, and this is the boxes. I won't share the attendance link today. Should wait. Okay, fine. Should wait till 8:45. Definitely I will share the link, but you should wait. Okay, right. I will share the link, but you guys should wait. Okay, right. So initially the box is like, you know, empty. Then we are going to iterating over that, the horizontal, and also this is the vertical split. Then it is going to find, because of it is going to split the each and every cells, 81 cells it is going to split. Then only it will be, we can find the empty columns, and we can segregate the empty columns, and we can segregate the character columns like that. So the box is going to resize, normalized value of that all the boxes, and after that the box is found, means we need to append all the boxes in the particular list. Because now it is splitted, 81 box will be splitted. Okay, right. So once the box is splitted for rows and columns, so rows and columns in the sense, now we are going to append all the cells in this particular list. Okay, clear? Right. The boxes is found. Now we are going to display the numbers. Display the numbers. So here, the display the 81 numbers in an image or mask at the same position in the each cell of the board. So it will be help to display the number. So that is the reason, depending on the weight and depending on the height, width and height. So this is the shape of the image. Okay, this is the shape of the image. Yes. Okay, if I open deep learning classes, Philip is coming. Then I go to open image processing. Then there is Philip. Actually, some technical issues will be there because of the link streaming. Okay, right. Yes, I will tell to my team. I don't know exactly actually. Shrikari, I don't know exactly. I will tell to my team and they will check. No problem. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, this is the height and this is the width of the shape of the image. It will be going to help to displace the number. 81 numbers we need to put. Okay, then we need to find the numbers in the range of the 9. It can be possible to find the best numbers. Okay, so we have to read the image and extracting the board from the input. So it will be the help with the find board here. Okay, find board. Okay, right, of the image. So this is the image. Okay, so we have to converting the grayscale of that particular image. Then we are going to like split the boxes for this, for the ROS, and next we are going to deducting the prediction with the help of the region of interest. Okay, then we need to find that the number depending on the argmax. So it will be returning the indexes of the maximum number of the array. So that is very important with the help of the iteration, because once the prediction is done, okay, once the prediction is done with the help of the model, that time it will be help to making the and finding the index with the help of the argmax here. So that means it will be returns. That means it will be returns the index of the maximum number of the array. So the predicted numbers, the class's name, that means the class's name till 0 to 9. That means 1 to 9 is the class's name here. Okay, right? So once this syntax is found in the sense, it will be matching over that. Then predicted numbers to append these particular list. Okay, right. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Then we are going to reshaping the list. So this is array to predict the numbers, and we have to converting the data types like this and reshaping like this 9 by 9. Okay. Then this will be getting to solve all the problems, because initially we need to converting the character into the binary arrays. After that we need to converting the returning images like this. Okay. Right. So finally it will be giving the solution is depending on get it from the where, like yeah, see here the solved numbers and get board. So this get board is getting from this particular module. Okay, already we created, right? So that is the reason. Okay, should wait, I will share the attendance link. Okay, right. Okay guys, so this will be help to creating the binary arrays of the predicted numbers. That means zeros and unsolved numbers of Sudoku, that is zeros and ones. Then we are going to get only the solved number for solved board. So that is the reason this particular function will give to that. So after that creating the mask and displaying solved numbers in the mask the same position where the board numbers are empty. That means it is going to fill. Then we are going to show this the solved mask and this. Then it will be inversing. So inversing now it will be help to do that, to masking over that and adding the weighted. So then the final result will be displayed. Now I am going to show the output for this. You can understand easily. Okay. So are you guys excited to see the output? Attendance link will be shared. Should wait today. Okay. So today is the last day. Should wait for me. Okay. Right. I will share many things to you. So that is the reason. Okay. Right. Yes, are you guys excited to see the output? So just going to run this. You can see the output for the solved numbers. It will be displayed on the image, empty columns. Just a minute, it will be taking time. but it will be solved. Yes, most of the people answer. Okay, right, excited. Yes. Yes, still it is running. Just a minute. Yes, it's going to run, and you can see the output for this. You can see the output for this. Yes. This is the input image which we loaded, and the final output like this. It's solved. It's solved. You can cross check. You can cross check. It will be perfectly working. Okay, it will be perfectly worked. Perfectly worked. Okay. See here. There is no repeated numbers here, and there is no repeated numbers here, and repeated numbers here. Check it. Okay, that is very important. Some computational calculation behind this. Okay. Okay, so this is the final out of this particular Sudoku solver. Okay, Sudoku solver. It is replaced in the same empty columns. Okay, right. That's it, guys. So this is for the final output. I will run one more time. You can see the output for this one also. Okay, right. I will share the attendance link. Most of the people expecting, right? Okay. You guys should wait at least one day. Why you are making hurry for attendance link? I don't know exactly. Okay, fine. Okay, without delay, I am going to entering my time. So now you can see the output one more time. So this is the final output of this Sudoku solver. Now it is solved. Now it solved. Okay, right. I close this all. Okay, right. Then yes. Okay, right. Okay. So this is our next masterclass, artificial intelligence. I am going to handle this 30 days masterclass of artificial intelligence. If you guys are interested, do register for the event. Don't forget to register for the event, and also do register for the event to join the particular free masterclass in live. Okay, right. Thank you guys. Actually, so these 30 days, actually I can't believe it is. It's a second it done actually. Today is the last day of this particular computer vision masterclass. Okay, I will share the link. After that I can speak something about it. Fill the attendance form, guys. Most of the people expecting the attendance only, so that is the reason I shared. Okay, other people should wait. Okay, I share the attendance link. Yes. Okay, I hope you guys are learned something about computer vision masterclass and computer vision concepts, because I hope I given some knowledge about that particular computer vision and OpenCV, right? So if you guys are it is very helpful means. Is this very helpful means? Please share your feedback in that particular Facebook group, and also if you don't want to share feedback in the public, in the sense you can share it directly to me by using the my profile, Facebook profile. Okay, is this any useful? Okay, I hope it is very useful. Actually, you learned something from the for computer vision. Okay, so please share your feedback to the particular that image processing group, so that will be more helpful for me. Okay, so this is the page. You can share your feedback here also, and also you don't want to share in public, in the sense, please share your feedback in my personal account, Facebook account. Okay. So that will be, more booster for the next masterclass, and also it will be more encouraging for the next masterclass. Hope you learned something and you learned many concepts about the, image processing. Okay. It will be very useful in the sense mentioned in the comment box right now, and also share your feedback in this particular, group, and also share your feedback in my personal, Facebook account also. No problem. Yes. Any queries, any suggestions, whatever it is, you can share it to this particular, Facebook group, and also share your feedback must in that image processing groups. So that will be more helpful. Yes. Yes, most of the people, yes, positive review. Thank you so much. Riyas, Chandramohan sir, thank you so much. And Pushkara, thank you. Yes, no, I am not going to miss you, because the next masterclass, you should come, all the people to come there to Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Okay. Yes. Yes, YouTube creator. Yes, thank you. And Nilesh, thank you so much. Thank you. Navina Nadini, thank you so much. Yes, most of the people giving a good feedbacks and comments. Thank you so much. It will be more encouraging. Thank you, sir. Srikari, thank you. Yeah, we will meet in the next masterclass, that is artificial intelligence. I hope you guys are all the people joined there also. Okay, right, Padma, I will discuss to my team and chat to you. Yes, thank you so much. Share your feedback to that particular Facebook group. Okay, right, the legend fun time. Yes, okay, superb. Yes, good. Yeah, I will definitely help to you, legend. Of course, I will help to you. So that is also, me also interested to work in that particular healthcare department actually for researching on that. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kavi. So thank you so much. Okay, right. So after finishing my time, we'll discuss more about the feedbacks. Okay, right? So without delay, hope you guys are enjoyed this session also. Okay, right. So the 3 rules for happy life. 3 rules for happy life. Don't hate, because the life is too short. So don't waste your time to hate others. Don't hate because we don't have a time, because the life is too short to waste your time to hate someone and others. Don't compare because their life is different, your life is different, yourself is different, their life is different. Don't try to be someone else. Try to be best version of yourself. Think it in your mind and keep it in your mind. Don't try to be someone else. Try to be best version of yourself. And third one, don't worry. Remember, the day you stopped worrying, that will be the first day of your new life. Remember, the day you stop worrying will be the first day of your new life. So keep it in your mind. So that is for rules of happy life. Don't hate, don't compare, don't worry. Okay, right. Yes, okay. So most of the people commented very well. Thank you so much. It is very interactive and also more encouraging. Yes, certificate will issue in next week. Internship certificate. Okay, any queries? Yes, thank you guys. Thank you so much for your valuable comments. Yes, Shavakumar. Okay, thank you so much. Of course. That is also more memory. Yes. Yes. The certificate link The eligibility person, you can get it from WhatsApp group actually. Okay, right. We'll see you in the Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Thank you so much. Thank you, Yokesh. Thank you so much. Yeah, most of the people, I hope you guys have learned something from the image processing concepts. Thank you so much. Don't call me sir, call me Philip. Call me Philip, Mr. Riaz. Okay, right. Yes. Yes, you want to get the participation certificate. In the sense, you have to pay 100 rupees for a certificate. Okay, the eligibility criteria, 25 days attendance should complete. Okay guys, any queries? Thank you so much. Abhinay, thank you so much. And miss you all. But should come all the people to next masterclass, Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. I'm expecting from you guys. I'm expecting you, so you can also join and yes, okay. Thank you, Shravan Kumar. Yes, actually, I liked more this particular my time. Yes, thank you. Okay, guys, without delay, I'm going to wind up, and all the best for your future. All the best for your future. Make your life will be a positive, and you will be make your future that is in your hand. Okay. Learn many things from different people. Learn many things from the world. Learn many things from the different people. That will be more helpful to you, because the learning is a process till you die. The learning is a process till you die. That will be made more helpful to you. Okay, right? It's okay. My number, okay. You can connect with me in Facebook. My personal account, this is my Facebook. Okay, so this is my Facebook profile. Okay, so you can connect and give a friend request. I will accept, and we can connect with this platform. We can connect with this platform. So this is my profile. Okay, thank you so much, Abhinay. Thank you so much. And okay, yeah, super cool. Okay guys, all the best for your best future. Make your life in high actually, and try yourself and make yourself actually high, and learn from the different experience, learn from the different people, learn from the world, learn from the different technologies. You have to learn many technologies, then only you can survey in the future. You are a technical guy. Okay, try to learn many about the technology related artificial intelligence. We will be meet in the next masterclass, that is Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Thank you, Abhinay. Yes, Ashita, thank you. Yes, Satyamina, thank you. I'm not going to miss you, because I hope you guys are also coming to the AI Masterclass. If you guys are coming, means it's more comfortable for me also. Okay, thank you. Yes, I'm also very enjoyed, and you guys are very interactive to me. So that is the reason every day it is not boring actually. It like some interactive. So without interaction, in the sense, it will be making some boring. So that is the reason I interacted many times, and also you are also interacting, and it is also very encouraging to me also. So thank you so much for your patience, for your interaction, for your asking many questions to me. That will be also more helpful for me, and thank you so much. So keep your way in positive. Okay, keep your way in positive. Make your life in high, and be yourself in high. Okay, So always be a positive. Then only you will be a, happiest person in the world. Okay, right. Control your anger. Control your, emotion. Don't hurt from someone's actions. Just ignore it and keep going and happy and make yourself happy always. Okay, smile, smile, smile. That is your keyword. Keep it in your mind. That will be making you, looking cute and smart and beautiness. Keep it in your mind. Keep smiling always. That will be, making you, like beauty, smartness and cuteness. Okay, keep smile always. Smile, smile, smile. Okay, right. Thank you all. So if you have any queries related to the internship and also next masterclass, you can contact 8925533488. 8925533488. Okay, so you will be getting the certificate. Of course, once you pay the 100 rupees, you will be getting the participation certificate for this particular masterclass. And internship user, you will be getting the participation certificate and also internship certificate and all the sources you will be get. Okay. Yes, of course. Sriram, thank you so much. Certificate definitely you will get, guys. Yes, Gopi Reddy, definitely you will be get. Okay. Yeah, wonderful program. Thank you so much. I miss you. Yes, Mr. Prabha, miss you so much. Okay, thank you. And I'm not going to miss you because you people should come to the artificial intelligence masterclass. Okay. Right, thank you. Satyamina, you mentioned my quotes and also you mentioned my time. So that will be also, more liked for every day. And LinkedIn, yeah, I will share to you LinkedIn profile. Yes. This is LinkedIn profile of pantechelearning. Okay, right. I will share it to you. And Instagram profile of pantechelearning. I will share it to you. You can connect there. Okay, you can connect there. Okay, right. Okay, guys. Bye bye, all. Take care and all the best for your best future. Okay, all the best for your best future and keep your way in positive and make yourself happy. Okay, don't compare with others. Bye bye. See you in the next masterclass. Okay, let's take some break for one week. After that we can meet. Okay, I'm going to take some break for 1 week. After that we can meet. Okay, bye bye, guys. Bye bye. And spend some times with your valuable person, and also spend sometimes with the nature, and spend sometimes with your loved one. Okay, so that will be also making you more happy. Bye bye all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next masterclass. I hope, I'm expecting you all to join their artificial intelligence masterclass. Okay, right. Just I'm going to wind up. Good night. Good night, sweet dreams, and have a delicious dinner. Bye bye.